Hey guys, Digital Dave here. Today I'm going to be unboxing some 1600 watt 4-socket video photography lights. It's a 2-pack with the stands and a travel bag. It also will come with 8 45 watt CFL bulbs. Really excited about this lighting set. I contemplated buying a kit online that would have a backdrop and lights, but I was actually able to find better lights and the same typical starter photography kit background set for a cheaper price. So I'm really excited about that to kind of up my lighting quality and pay less than if I would have bought a kit online for around 150 bucks. So these I purchased from Amazon. They're $60. Again, what makes them special compared to all the other lights that I've seen out there is these have the 4-socket in each as opposed to 1 or 2 sockets. So really after having the most light per dollar, however you want to say that. So really excited to open these up. Again, you can check out the link in my video description below to research it on Amazon as well. So I'm going to go ahead, show you the box, and open it up. Here's how it comes packaged to you directly from Amazon. It is a Prime eligible item too if you are part of Amazon Prime. With another box inside that's already open. And it is the whole kit. So they really have a huge box for this really compact kit, which should be pretty travel friendly. So first thing we got to do, unvelcro this strap. Oh, nice clips right here. If I can get them. 1, 2. Then there's actually a carrying strap right here, which is nice, and then double zipper. So we'll see how this will work. Interesting. And Velcro. Probably best interest too to loosen this up. There we go. To give you a little more room to get in here. So another Velcro strap right there. And protector foamy thingamajig. Set that off to the side. First thing up, we'll see. Probably some light bulbs. I'm going to guess 4. Who knows though? All right. This box is the light itself and a fuse, so don't lose this. Looks pretty nice. There's the 4 sockets. There's for your 5 amp fuse in the back, right where my finger's touching. What's nice is you can turn off, I wish you could turn off each one individually, but you can turn off half of them individually. So that's nice at least that there's 2 off buttons, your typical mount, and a plug. So that's one light. Set that off to the side. This should be the other light. Fuse. 4 socket again. Same thing on the back, 5 amp fuse, and then 2 on and off switches so you can control half of them, which is nice. Looks like the diffusing box. Nice. We'll have to assemble this too. Set those on the table. Just unravel it so you can see, just like the photograph. Pretty good. We'll get that built in a minute. Set that off to the side. Same thing's going to be in here for the other light. Could these be the light stands themselves? One light stand. Nothing special. I mean, you definitely get what you pay for, but it'll work. It'll work for now. So, really happy with that. We'll go ahead and unbox it. The other light stand. Same thing. It's got their branding on it, which is nice. All right. Looks good. And I'll go ahead and open one of these boxes just so we can see that this should be all the light bulbs. And there's 8 boxes in here. Packaged in styrofoam, which is nice. We'll see. Ta-da! 5,500 kelvins. Same, got their branding. Just a compact fluorescent 45 watt bulb. So doesn't look too bad. Excited to use that. We'll keep it in its packaging for now so we don't break them. And as you can see, here's all 8 of them. Ta-da! So they come in here. I'll leave them in there, and we'll work on assembling one of the diffusers. So as you can tell, it didn't come with any sort of instructions on how to assemble, so you just kind of got to use your spidey senses, I guess, to try to build and assemble everything. So first thing we'll do is take this out, see what we got. Looks like it'll just Velcro right on. To be determined for this little guy. Alright, so first things first, after you unbox and get the rubber bands off of this, you're going to want to go ahead and stick the light in here as such. Gray end will be inserted into the light, black end will be inserted into, there's a little hole, a little sleeve in this Velcro thing right there. So, going to line it up, see if I can do this, put one there. You kind of need 3 hands for this. And then stick it right in there. So one is in. Now repeat that process for the other 3. Alright, so I have one light box assembled. Boy, let me tell you, that is the worst part of this whole kit. It took probably half an hour to get this on. It is so tight. These things are so, if you ask me, they're way too long for this kit. To try to put them in there and then get them on here is horrible. So that being said, you may need an extra set of hands. I had to get my lovely wife to help me hold it while I was able to put the 4th one in. I put this silver end in first and then worked it into the black thing, and it was pretty bad. So I'm a little discouraged about that. That's the only knock I have so far against this kit. Now let me go ahead and we'll put some light bulbs in and plug it in. I just realized too, after all that trouble, I didn't even get it in the right order. So now the box will always be cockeyed, which is just freaking dandy. So I'll probably have to rework that too. There's 2 lights, 4 lights. But that's what's nice, you can turn 2 off, all of them off, all 4 on. And we'll go ahead and just throw. We'll throw this on. And this on. There you go. Got a great light. So really excited about it. Thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate your guys' support my channel. So link to this is in the video description, and I will see you in the next video.